We're here in Silicon Valley, and it's been interesting over the years to hear people really wrestle with whether or not technology is helping your average person every day. Not having a credit score can be a real challenge, because that whole idea that it's expensive to be poor definitely applies to not having a credit score. When you don't have a credit score, you tend to be served by very expensive options, and in some cases, options that people consider to be predatory products. At Oportun, we're focused on people that are shut out of the financial system, people that are living paycheck to paycheck, the people that work in hotels, the people that service our food. A lot of times we're so busy with our own lives that we don't see them.
Hola, bienvenido. ¿Cómo le puedo ayudar?
Buenas tardes.
Pásale para acá.
Con esta
Oh.
joven que me gusta mucho.
Our customer can't go to a bank because if they were to go to the bank and try to get a loan, one of the first things that the bank would do would be to try to pull a credit score.
Aquí están sus documentos.
And what we've tried to do is use advanced analytics and to use technology to say there's a lot more information about consumers than there used to be. So we have statisticians, data scientists, people with PhDs that are trying to gather as much data as we could on you and then try to understand what is your willingness to pay.
Pero ya se la están revisando la aplicación.
To give you two examples that we share, one is we'll try to figure out how long you've had your cell phone and what your history is of paying your cell phone. Also, your rental history of an apartment, and you pay pretty regularly, that would also be a signal of your willingness to pay.
El primer préstamo que hice aquí fue por mi hijo, para comprar un carro. Hice otro préstamo porque quería ir a mi país. Sí, mi mamá murió y la llevaron a enterrar allá. Entonces yo siempre quiero ir a la tumba. Que pasen buen día.
Adiós, aquí la veo.
Solo que cuando roque la muchacha sí voy a ir allá. Cuídese mucho. Gracias.
To me, it's important to help Oportun customers when they come in because I was in their position. When I graduated high school, I started working for a pizzeria. I didn't have a car, so I would go on my bike. When I applied for my first loan in the bank, they didn't really care that I was working. I had direct deposit to my account. They saw that there was money coming in every 2 weeks, and they still didn't trust me. My credit wasn't bad, it was just no credit score. And then I walked by Oportun. I brought everything in, and then right away they told me, oh, we're gonna lend you $500. So it's really important to have financial institutions that actually trust people and have you establish your credit. And that's what they did for me.